Okay, continuing this video, the battery did die. I didn't really have it charged all the way. Normally the Canon is a little bit better on the battery than the Olympus, but it's not really rugged as much. Oh boy. Climb on in here. So that's that one in the back. And right now this is what this looks like. So I have not tried these at night, but I've driven around with them, and actually sawing them off like that actually worked quite well. Everything is nice and sturdy. I looked up the law about blocking your windshield, and really the only one they're going to have a problem with is this. Because from my understanding, this is not windshield mounted, this is visor mounted. You know, so I've talked to a couple people about it. And you know what? The blue light law in New York State is still one rotating blue light, so that's kind of outdated. That one looks a little bit slanted. I think it's the way I'm holding the camera, but that's what they look like. They're nice lights. They're really bright. You know, my understanding was going this route is I didn't want a mounting light bar anymore. I would have permanent mounted it, but you know, I just like these ones better. They're a little more sleek looking. You can't really see them because they're above the tint line, with the darker tint line, which is fine. I mean, actually, it'll be better sun protection too. Maybe. I mean, I don't know. I haven't really driven around with these things because I've used the Focus for my mass confidence training. That's another thing too, is now that I've passed my interior, so I am pretty much a New York State Firefighter 1 certified now. So that's been pretty cool. But yeah, that's what they look like. Right now during the day, there's not, you know, from in here, make sure it's on, like, so you can see it's flashing. It's not that bad. I don't have the pattern too very crazy, so I don't think it'll be that bad. But yeah, SpeedTech lights, hopefully these work out. And of course they've got the box underneath there, and I can easily switch them off if I need to. So like I know, I should probably do it this way. Oops. I should probably do it this way. And I haven't used the 3M yet on that, because that way I know the one farthest, because, right? Am I right? No, I was wrong. Because this one's for the visors. Oops, you can't see it. This one's for the visors, so in case I need to shut that off at night. I haven't seen this at night, so that'll be the next video before I end this. It'll be at night. That'll just be a quick little video inside and out. It's going to be bright. Oh, but I still have them on. Yeah. Yep. Alright, see you in the next clip, and yeah, that's it for these videos, or for this little light. I'm kind of excited. Yeah, I can't really say nothing more, besides the only thing I wish from SpeedTech was that this bracket and these were all mounted. I wish they had a track like the one in the back does. That's got a track for the lights, for the brackets. This doesn't. I kind of wish that had that. I don't know why SpeedTech did that, because if they had the brackets, that would eliminate this piece, this piece. I can understand then you couldn't really move it, because I had to move these around. Yeah. Yep. Okay, back at night. Let's do a test. Of course, everybody's going to probably be wondering what the hell's going on. So I've lost one. There it goes. Yeah, I think that's bright enough. Jeez, I'm grow. But good news is I think I can see out of it. Oh, I gotta fix that. But they're not as bright, they're not as blinding as I thought they would be. Cool. I can't wait to use these lights actually in action, and hopefully it moves traffic pretty well. Because having that little thing it's okay, but having these will be even better. Cool. Want to see anything else with these or any of my other lights? Actually, this is what I think I showed you guys that. That's what that one does. Just flashes. This one's constantly plugged in. So yeah, cool. Bye guys.